Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akilish, and in this video I will show you how to host a WordPress website locally and develop a website offline. So for that you have to uh, go to this website localwp.com, and here you have to download. So here you can see the option download here. Click on it and download. Choose your operating system here and fill out your details, and then you can download it here. After downloading, open that file and install it. Now installation is complete, so it will open now. Here click on create a new site and give a website name here. Click on continue, and here don't do any changes, just click on continue. If you want to customize, you can customize that, and here you have to enter the WordPress username and your password, and you have to enter the email here. After filling all the details, click on add site. Here it will take some time to download WordPress. Here click on admin here, so that now enter the username and password so that you can log into the website, and you can customize your website here. So this is the dashboard of WordPress website, and we can customize it here. So thanks for watching my video. Please do support by subscribing my channel. Thank you.